just want to understand what exactly the difference between the demo account and the funded account.
I'm with you. All right, cool. So let me break it all down for you. Once you say, hey, okay, I want to choose one of these funded people to sign up with an account, you do that. They open an account for you, right? They say, hey, Abdul, here's your username, here's your server, here's your password. All right. Log into what, if you prefer to log into the MT4 app on your phone, go ahead and do that. If you want to log into the app on your computer, right, with the Windows app or the Mac app, go ahead and do that. Or if you want to log in from the web, right, go ahead and do that. So now you take your credentials, you log in, and you'll see that you have a certain amount of money. Maybe they start you off with $2,000, right? And then they tell you, hey, you got to get to $4,000, right? And they give you these set of rules to go by. You can't trade after this time. You can't trade on these days. You can't trade when this kind of news is coming out. It gets complicated, right? You know what I mean? With the rules that they set. But, you know, rules are rules, right? You got to abide by their rules if you want to get funded. So from that point, right, your account is a demo account, but the money that you make, right, will be legit in the sense that it will count towards your goal that you need to hit. So if you make $100 on a trade, okay, well now you have $2,100, right? You know what I'm saying? And so forth and so forth until you get to 4,000. So if you get to 4,000 using the fake money, at this point, your account, you know, they put a big green check mark on it, right? And they say, hey, congratulations, you have passed the test, you passed the goal, you showed us that you could trade by following our rules, you made it, all right? And now you're like, okay, yes, right? You know, now at depending on these funded account companies, some of them may only have one test, right, where you need to reach a goal one time, right, and then you'll get funded. Okay, so if you do that, now they're going to say, okay, here's your real account, right, here's the username and password to your real account, and then here's real money that you're going to be trading with, right? So nothing really changes except the notion of it being real money versus fake money. You understand what I'm saying? Everything that you've been doing with the fake money is the same exact thing that you're going to be doing with the real money, but now it's real money. Okay, so you know, you're gonna if you were taking it serious, what you did, or you had to in order to pass, right, you're going to just take that same thing that you've been doing and just apply it to real money now. And now you're going to be making real money because you make a certain percentage of, right, how much you make. And then and that also varies from you know, the company to company. Top Step, they were giving me 100% return of my, you know, however much money I made, and up to, I think it was like $5,000. So I can make up to $5,000 and I'm getting 100% of that money back to me, right? After I made $5,000, then they would have taken 10%, you know, 5, 10, 15%, whatever their cut is at that point, right? But I'm still making 80 to 90% of whatever it is that I make. That's a deal, right? You know what I'm saying? It's just a deal because you never had to put up that amount of money. But now you can take out these standard lots and these you know, extra standard lots. Like first you're doing like one standard lot, now you're doing 2 and 3. Well, guess what? If you can make $30 per pip, all you need is 10 pips to make $300. And I mean, just imagine if you go at a higher lot size, you need less pips to make the same amount of money. And this is where Forex is a dream for everybody. This is where everybody wants to get to. And I tell everybody again, you guys want to aim to get at a standard lot, right? To be able to take out a standard lot. So keep funding your account. If you start it small, right, just keep trading, right, until you build it up to be able to take out a standard lot. And then when you can do that, now you're going to be rocking and rolling. Now you're going to be making thousands of dollars a day, $1,000 a week, right? It's going to be that kind of party. All right. But again, just with the accounts, you know, you'll start with demo, you'll pass it, and then you'll get funded. And now you're playing with real money. And again, you can withdraw whenever you want, right? Most of these people, they don't have restrictions on that. They let you get your money, and, you know, all is well, right? You just got to keep up, you know, you got to be consistent, right? You know, nothing in life is technically free. You know what I'm saying? You got to do something. So that's what that's about. Want to get money? Want to get paid? That's Forex. Like a sensei, then you know you got to come and swing my way. And if you want to fast forward, hit replay.